And 2017 Deaflympics silver medalist Beryl Wamira won Kenya her first gold medal at the first ever Africa Deaf Athletics Championships that is ongoing at the Kasarani Stadium. Wamira won the 100 meters race in a time of 12.87 seconds. Nigeria's Assurance Omoira was second ahead of Kenya's Ruth Awor. Kenya's Elisha Wekesa, Walter Malenje and Paul Samiu won their respective heats to make the cut for Wednesday's final in the men's event. Uganda's Jennifer Nyakato won the women's 800 meters ahead of an Ethiopian duo. Kenya's Hannah Wakonyo, Rebecca Matiko and Rosalida Neita took the 4th to 6th places. John Koech and Francis Rondi won their respective heats to qualify for Wednesday's final in the men's event. Kenya was awarded the rights to host the event due to her dominance in the World Deaf Championships.